it's farming automatically, guys. As you can see, we got this amazing Blox Fruits script. Hey YouTube people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest scripts for Blox Fruits game on your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I actually got this online, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, or even you can do it with your PC. It works also with PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on browse scripts. So guys, there you will find a list of scripts and we will click on Blox Fruits. So there we will enter our Roblox user ID of our account. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile on your browser and go to profile, of course, and just copy your profile URL. So when you copy your profile URL, let's get back to the tool and just click here on this button and it will automatically scrape only your user ID from your URL. So just click continue, guys, and it should start searching for our user account. So it should find us. As you can see, user found. You should get this message, and now guys, we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to work with this script. So guys, you will have to get any executor, delta, or anything, guys. If you already have, select there. I already have a different executor, or if you already have delta executor, select yes. If you have no executors, you can install, add and import delta executor to your Roblox. So I will import it because I have no, and just click here import if you don't have. And now we will select the scripts that we would like to insert to our Blox Fruits game. So I will select Forge Hub and Nicus. These two are the best for Blox Fruits. So just click continue, guys, and third step will load up. So API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will record it more, so yeah. And there we go, guys. API is connected, nice, and our activation key is generated. There we go, guys. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Blox Fruits script, guys, and it's one-time verification. So we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's really up to you, it's your choice. So what will I do now? I will download Travel Town and Domino Dreams. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. So for each task you complete, you will have to follow their instructions. So for Travel Town, I will download and install this app, then play and complete level 9. And for Domino Dreams, I will install, open and complete chapter 5. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Travel Town and Domino Dreams, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So we will wait together and now we will see is it actually legit. And I won't skip this video because there we go, guys. There we go, we got verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Blox Fruits script is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited. As you can see, our key is also connected. So now we will open our Roblox and we will open our Blox Fruits and we will test does it actually work. So let's see, guys, is it actually working? And now we will test it together. Does it actually work? So I will click on Blox Fruits and I will click play. So guys, let's see, is it legit or it's just another false myth from YouTube. So yeah, let's select whatever. So There we go, guys. We got our Delta Executor and we got our scripts for Blox Fruits game. So we can click execute and it should load these scripts, guys. So let's wait for this, and there we go, guys. We got our script and we can use it for free. So let's test something. I can click maybe farming. Let's click farm. As you can see, guys, it's farming. It's farming automatically, guys. As you can see, we got this amazing Blox Fruits script. As you can see, it levels up and doing all for free. So yeah, you can do literally whatever you like with this script, guys. It works amazing on bloxforge.com. So guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.